Welcome everybody, this is Josiah with the Pool Guy Guild. I want to show you how I have my pole set up on the back of my truck. I have a 2005 F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. I'm dealing with a commercial hyperpole 3x20. I'm going to show you how I have this set up on the back of my truck to keep it secure as I drive around the city. Right here I have some stage light clamps. Yep, stage light clamps. 1 1/4 to 1 3/8 inch. Now this helps keep my pole secure. So with the clamps, I have to put on some weather stripping for doors and windows. This helps keep it secure so it doesn't scratch up your pole. I know my pole is a little scratchy now, but it's not because of this, just from regular wear and tear. This helps keep it tight so it doesn't move. See, I can pull on it and it doesn't slide around. It protects the condition of the pole. Alright, so there we have it. Now you're wondering how I keep this secure. You know these poles aren't cheap, so you want to keep it secure, not just hanging out the back of your truck in a PVC pipe. Now I keep it safe with a cable lock and a combination lock. Now with the combination lock, I'm just going to use this to go inside of the end of the pull pole. This should fit in each pull pole that you have perfectly. It's just a combination, so it's really easy to access. I don't have to worry about losing keys or anything like that. I just know the code and I can get into it. So once you get that on, you just make sure it's wrapped around the bike lock itself. Now I'll go ahead and give it a little tug, just to show you how secure it is. Yeah, it's even hard to pull up right now. So, you know, it's just a deterrent. So I'll show you how I have it attached to the truck here. I did not drill through the frame itself, just through the plastic side. That's it, and that's a wing nut that keeps it attached. On this side, I don't have the side railing, so you can see this is a 2-inch stage lighting clamp, and I also have the wing nuts under there. Each truck will have some ports that you can actually use for this mechanism. So right here, I have a sheath, my little pole sheath. Yeah, this keeps my pole cool. Now this is 6-foot PVC. I bought it to size to fit, and this protects it really well. The black one is actually a little bit more durable than the white PVC, but it will warp in the summertime. So you may want to get 3 clamps instead of 2, just to put one in the middle. And this is the setup.
Since the pole lengths vary, you might deal with some serious overhang. If you have a roof rack, I recommend hanging it up there. You can secure them into the rack, you can bolt them, drill in the mounts. Another solid trick is if your pole is really long, you can lay it across the back of the bed, diagonal, and you can set up the mounts there.
Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments below.